Abusano pe osenka final segment we me Jesse ne me boot ne me shenga de baba ni nyina mu na agukam I say ye bi kwa koye adwuma e say de me despite group because anope me wo Peace FM e wa ha and me wo UTV wa ha and say agukansie kese bi ABC aye 6 match say nyamboa na wotwe sende Ghana bi mada Peace FM any UTV na dem akwa agukansie ne interesting say wo ma hia pen me CCC na wo training no ese woni ense o ka kire kofo bibre ena e ka ho nsem ana me say na no pay dia me dem boba na e di ho nkomo na opanyina wa ha ene wo be kasa ama Peace FM me aminua Mickey Dale me friend na prekope currently Ghana ha DJ bi abo ha live bi a wonya de Mickey Charles the best ha live DJ wo Ghana ha ti mo amotwa ha live from mo hear Mickey Dale kasa ama Peace FM Mickey Mwakaba Woko there
today
the kasa video so fair na person makame boa now who your goalkeeper na who a player
Adibia for ball
and I coach
sports in general me a prepare
so we a universal charger
yes
maybe you yebi na Peace FM team where them
Peace FM team oh top striker the same time coach me say goalkeeper me plan me team ni
top strikers one the top no say goalkeeper on the chair no say coach we live to see and anunia we Africa we afi and so e wa ha ono so ejina ha ene otehampu ema UTV kodo
aja
boko de
na me adon boko na say
by was na also what position be
me botu number 2 pa 2 ebinsi Ghana
the Franka Mankwamu ni akoya no bo France national team you feel to ram onu no bo 2 po crossover wo de na e
me cover the Harris for the NB crossover kese nko na me checha pass se chire so de ene me gina wo so a se me gina wo so
wo gina ho na se wo gina ho na last time I share na ko wie say
last time I share no am say last year Independence Cup and you share but I say you share mo no am say Peace FM share but the man
wo share man na you say
am say Peace FM share
what's that you say ni bi o
say na we ni ha na
set the record straight
na me ni ha
it will buy what
oh e dey beti and say
ya share
mo share
that's all
no da o
share mo say
score say dem kai
6-3
but the question and say you dey go
6-3
football 6-3
ka 6-3
Mickey ma men ka
say what say share mo
say set up say ya na ati na ka 6-3 na o say
bisa hotin say
me ten is almost saying but what the scores they not mean
people are watching you
as to the scores they not
so you are not correct so in the details when you correct not the details when you correct you are not correct to the team
but the man here you can't kakra say am say the obuo kakra bi and ma Peace FM ma
ni won already obuo man
I don't do obuo man
oh some your mother station and na near person back say first time no watch o ma me no wa hye de bebresa e so ohun kra na de ma hye enti na kwa say Olympics dey ni bi pele PM mobium pele mobium enti obuo and here dey ye ma Peace FM next time no ye ni o mu hia na ye from a o ma
dey sanka mu buo mu di anka na kan sin quality sanka ba so in the first place
oh
ya kan sin ba ko be hye ba ko
na mpanyifo na ye hye de da enti akokɛ sin de na ye say ye den utwi mu tan ye den e ba so
mpanyifo na hu buo no
mpanyifo na hu buo no omu hu buo no omu hu buo no enti ba this year there say we ye dey abodi se between ntowin
sa na om keka
but eni ntowin wo soro and about you say then e was here and obey your building mu kra wo here Peace FM form and you here then e was soro
what you say no that
what oh and there baby baby for carry chichi omo re
so fuck me na make be
no ya la ta phone come on
so was on the offer my yeah phone down
and now previously no dia na ye 6-3
the next 6-3
and only be do hu come wi a na ya cause say hye ya say mo ye there to form Mickey 6-3 no mo be hye say let say
Kwame, me chia no pay. When they want chef for show the way you my power. Me that say what they advise. One say, your Friday is football and your math ball.
Football.
Yeah.
Okay.
And your map, and your young man.
You're the nine
Get
level.
the young neighbor. Now we should be with you. Mommy,
Number two.
Madrid modern interest for my friend or from the big bra. Now, him. Son, last time I knew Chi. Wangano cut it. Yatoy was on the field of play. Yes, started training. We guess I go ready. And I'm more young craft. Oh, and I'm more.
Almost a piece of one.
You. That is the mentality.
Now, last time, line up on this and one boy.
Oh, line up in the squad. Also, yeah. But yeah, you can't call me a boy.
Yeah, for each shall say free goalkeeper, never seen number 11.
Yeah, was two keepers, Eugene, and then in Chroma.
Eugene online.
And then Chroma.
And Chroma.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then they were Andy from Pomanso, but I'm no injury. And nearby Smith.
Okay.
And then Smith and Achu.
Okay.
And then we
Achuabu.
have Achuabu.
Okay.
We have Old Soldier. And then we have Dan Kweku Yeboah. And Makasarami Jinemu. And then we have
an oboe position by.
Oh, 9.
Well, now striker.
Yes,
The same goes no share saying.
Oh, we share one and I engineer about 2 of them.
Oh, not top striker. Yes, so
Yes, at the time I said, the anomaly. You have 2 penalties. Koplamafu played them solidly. It was there. Into what you wanted out. Into when you know about that.
Maybe I know master sound.
Oh, they've changed. We also changed. Well, currently training at Adina. Some of the boys are not.
It's a movie at 60 and no kind.
Then only be aka and mu gase ani osuni awerho na e bobo crampo I mean on the foot no ni hanti me ne kakra nya de oni ha
but so obeti no wati some share mo na want to
say ade bi a we ya true di kan no enwi yida didn't the YouTube guy in the first place Makasa I don't think that more genuine because you can't go and bring this guy to come and sit here whilst he doesn't know anything about what happened before
send me a tram
that is why we have history I said what can one no let's say who need the idea of what you are coming to talk about. That's one Kasa was now. Oh, you watch me and share 63. If you know, but me say watching and 63 not place in the sense of it nice wouldn't what's it then?
Idea mamu share YouTube go omo che say omo dey respect mamu. Say mo na mudi kan ba Peace FM. You know,
masa we are secret wunu a wechi ba kra siaka respect be any. One would can share first go.
Woman di kan share.
One would can throw at now Eddie can. So when this strategy be an be abu someone we na touch line finish from coaching strategically. And just say coach na pass say dey go. What's your first goal? We take the first 10 minutes to study them.
Okay.
You find the loop.
And the first 10 minutes no matter that I'm going to share them.
We're relaxing.
Okay.
Hey, UTV. Hey, what's your first goal? You so papa 2-1. Now guys will jump the wall. Kitty. You come by. You bogumusa. Young father walk to us straight away because father ball peace or some ball UTV the same time.
Utility player.
Yes. In general back they can't know. Yeah, to me it's just at least you go near them kakra. You have to change go.
And father club be home.
And you go near them say the same station. Until at least your mom wants a chance no. And we have your mom wants share 2 count na 63. And I can referee cry wo bomb pan no point.
And the free omo si sa kan say we am sure omo 6 omo timi 3 na fe wo mo ne mu nkita wo dey design say fa ball mo so mo kasa bi.
They dare not. Now we crap salary match he crap. Won pay and Chelsea seriously. And upon you say about 5-6 of us in your contract.
Kodu ampa. Unya.
In your contract. Long time no see me yanko. Timber. Doctor say go this. Also me yanko.
Timber never told me.
I can't was supposed to go to Real Madrid. Me pass a friend me 2 teams.
Real Madrid reserve side and now Real Madrid first 11 now.
First 11. I just going to na come on for credit. It wasn't
the same Real Madrid and now Spain Real Madrid.
Spain Real Madrid. The contracts are there. The next time we come here, I can show them to you. We can go online and go and check. And you're going to
how do you ready and not
just say, young couple. Doctor, so come this person, you can't release us. There you are.
I come to the FIFA disciplinary committee. Nanka, he will release him.
Then we have to respect Doctor. Because not more time. Because before that match, 3 of us will fly and come by. Oh, you're called training tour.
I'm coming. I'm boss. More post. I'm board.
No. The whole team went before, and then we the key players.
No, so I selecting.
Also selecting with assist of me, Old Soldier, Ahinkai, Smith, Kweku Yeboah, Achu. You have to fly us.
No, fly. I'm calling here.
Yeah. We went to 3 countries. We were in Spain with Barca. We came to Germany. All the top teams in the country. Germany. Yeah.
Obi amu 11. Mo koboni a selective di bia ko training.
Yeah, say I mean strategically, Say down here, now your person will be in now. Into your ship, the defenders, other guys were doing their own thing.
Even before the match, you can't musuro.
and so we were prepared. And you, that's all we can say. But who is this guy I'm going to fight with? Maybe a bit of but what will let you take the fear out of you?
Okay.
So we go ahead, meeting people that are ahead of us.
Now, we training boom.
Proper training. It wasn't just strategy, your own strategy, no. And watch Mickey. Okay, you are the 3 forward liners. Okay, money will machine. That's it.
Now strategy when I'm the show 4-4-2, 4-3-1, and
4-4-2.
4-4-2.
Yeah, straight away.
Okay, one name coach.
Abu Samoni. We have got 2 coaches. Abu Samoni was there, and then Fifi Banson was also there.
Physical trainer, no one.
Physical trainer, they were only did that. Yellow Man.
Yellow Man, DJ Yellow Man.
DJ Yellow Man.
Honestly, Bonabaso.
Yeah, seriously.
What's your best DJ? Okay. DJ play DJ Samuel and my boss and
DJ Yellow Man.
DJ Yellow Man. He's been around for some time.
Yeah. And so well, let's get back to
the Oberty.
Oberty when Misani Kigu.
Nemo to say the
end. I don't know. What no TV so.
Oberty. Say Uba and she said to say.
I mean, okay, whether Medasine Akonya or the Mammy. Well, knowing Mickey Darling very well, no, I never want to say Mickey Castle Brace. And before any boo baby say, I don't care, Sabia, I don't care, and the combat, sorry, and Caprico, your master.
So I say, I didn't a mouth boy.
I am a football. What are you talking about? Martin Mickey, no, what's up? I am not, and family, I am not want to be better. And me, I never want to make a better to pay. To be, because what the cash some of that.
Debut
saying I saw an ordained or the gun.
You see, a come. The data send the CFA.
I will say history.
Mamma, maybe a come. What I say? Not Germany, known to me, Brazil, Bakuseka. What cup you came me? What would the German dear Brazil? What would the Holland dear Spain? Who could not support and then get a boxing and can spend the throwing white town knockout. What I walk over bro. What I say? This year in the Cup. Ah, yeah, boy. Ah, getting with any Peace FM. Abonta Peace FM. All ladies Peace FM, boy. Now, what do you want? And Joe Diggy. And old soldier. Just say, it didn't know you old way. On your order, no, you're retired. Just say, Crankwa. Now, say, Crankwa, pension house. Now, the scheme, no pension scheme, no one now, register Crankwa. But we are saying youthful. What you say, Mantiabem, we have come a man on my Betty, come and see my Betty so much night. Now, hear me, I'm a teenager. Now, my Musa, that's a quality pride. Mickey Manica, say, Wembley Tef, be a training hall. Wembley Tef, oh, Kotobabi, only a training 2 days ago. Astro Tefo, Minimiki Shao, I'm on Uko Pram, and it's me crown more hamstring. I don't know. Me, what I'm more hamstring, what you say, me hamstring. And I me able coach, Roger Cote will fly me out. And you know, I'm going to Dubai. I know I'm going to Bedri. I want to train on my ties now because make me feel 200 days, make me feel I have to down Kokuya. I have to down Dubai. Oh, say physicals, name is Senya, the idea, massage, baby, I did. Now, preparation. Down Kokuya above Peace FM. Training session down Kokuya above Peace FM. Me from the pancake. The fun is after was oh, Brana Diana, we in a Brafa Boomba Penny, and I'm so. Boss, they have a penny. Now, Takeno. Me, so. I didn't make it down in the sun. They said, you're okay. I'm not self glorification. Maybe some share team in UTV team. The whole UTV team, no. You were technical team. Or the online team, technical team. Oh, the whole team. One technical team. Oh, Roger Cotti. Oh no, I'm glad to have the lack of snap. I just say, easy crowd. Some blue shirt, no. Sir, I'm glad to hand over man. Apart from that, you were Nimado. You can football more research near the idea. Animado does say, Animado, about the ball. You don't want to talk about it. Because apart from that, you will be nimbo more. It's different from some because Nipa numbo. Nimbo, Nimno, Sanim Nebo. What I say? So I know he comes in the whole package. Animado, no. I know Carl Saka technical team. You will Romeo. Also, dear Dan said, dear Cotton. Romeo, Romeo, on a boy forward. You're striker about Juliet. What I say? One of your strikers. One of our top strikers. Some bomb with German for not to check passes. Ah, I chumu krama. What I say? Tinele say, maybe midfield and now Boba strike. Boba midfield. What you're not check passes. Was there maybe a captain and AC check passes? No, Sana Romeo Bay. Apart from that, and also, no, you were medical team. What I say? Now, last year, Mamika Simcho, dear say, last year, your coach and coach, you know. No Peace FM. What I say? I know about UTV. It's here now. Debbie Angotono. Juma Musem say you about UTV. But you know, because near where suspicions did that. because what you say tactical planning maybe or church no I say no Peace FM none strategies did that and you define a piece for their farm you define a piece of say no be leaking information and you know now you say there was something wrong somewhere
okay
but this year there are no infiltrations your training sessions your training sessions you no Peace FM ba okra you kakra because almost said that satisfied
we meeting we share about friendly kakra
oh and the training session you dey share my you dey fit and then you the Mickey Dallas when the hand action and the has anqua but no you what you say yeah what you say we are focused we are determined they are your day and what day abandoning and then some one and boy you
mama first 11
oh first 11 goalkeeper Foster and yeah by defenders are your dada Foster security
okay
yeah
okay
and no only the gear of Manchester United training kakra it only the ban say yanchi board your monitor na say cry your last training session cry no person better no ye we ya you say make dan after na ban akona car ho na ka say make biki salai we
Martinti Foster na mabium
and ye wo dada dada
yeah
everybody obtina for ho be ma gina for
na for keeper na for
and ye wa hinkai say me mama first level
mama 1 2
David Tobo
this guy
from defense
that's all we know
we from defense what I say and ye wa hinkai and ye dada ye ko ja sante what I say ko ja sante Peace FM online producer extraordinaire wow ko ja sante
Mazua na we player
ko ja sante then your dance ball no and you be amazed
ko your position you say
ko jo botre
okay
and me gina two me cry masam cry me nka
feel so Canada
me cry me obi hamstring man ko shopping hamstring me park technical team de me ko e ko CSM ni ade
ha nyina ye ne ba bia anhwe
David okay and I buy a midfield so Romeo Ginem ye wo Daniel Ginem what I say o buy a wing so Ojojo
Daniel Ben
Daniel Peace FM online
Daniel
online
that's a MCR pressure man
David ono a defender ono so can defense team no but Daniel
specifically
Daniel Buffo so Daniel ni Ginem what I say
for John Boy my team no
say na who ni bia minia aside that no so okay wingers now Jojo what I say winger extraordinaire just so crabo na speed pace tell me who they make up cry. The boy fair. And then they make him that one with the number also.
It's the only number 8 you know. I can't and I striker. Bama. Top striker pa.
The book up top I say who underrated. Top striker. Striker be mad. What I say?
Which training as what goals to say?
Oh, the goals there. Say Bama crime said the last time he share about 2 goals. Tell me the last training he share Peace FM 9-6. That was about
Wednesday no.
Wednesday night. Like just say 9-6. And no crap. What you
Mama Peace FM for now so anti say dem ko born under floodlight.
And no mun used to some conditions no.
Na adiasa.
And then you need to have some more high problems so kakra. And the second guys on my guys who doctor papa no buy say I must send the because e ba no say be born na just no mo ye dey. I just person dey.
This match ni na najo.
Sabo. Asa na o kan dey wo na o kan o. Anti no dey no be kan ti bo my top striker. I ended one go cry. What I say, but see them who no and before you be set.
So what number 10 no?
Before you be set, so before you be set, and I Mickey Darling, only me didn't come. Ebi had on canoe, and say you think that this year they will play Espana, they are there, so he doesn't even know what is coming to say and all of that. What I say, so down because piece of no mujeja, on kaka iko fui, iko fumu timu, iko fui die, afidi. So who so makume muma? You call press conference, down kweku yeboa. Or say any Curtain Razor no Peace FM and Neat FM no dey be neat only YouTube never bo.
But Obia send me list to be say sa list no say who YouTube dey na trouble for you. I say Abrante bi Okito na fuso pa.
Oh Okito ka technical team.
Awo mo bi o.
Oh no way welfare side.
Yes,
no welfare.
Daniel so obi o so wa.
30 gram pa.
Okito so munya defense wa.
Daniel the Minnesota make come make us say the height ni Goliath na the chest ogina wa. What is a Baruso pa
ogina wa. Example Goliath so di ncho.
Oh, there be any intro no di you know.
Okay.
Why 11?
We
Romeo About 10.
Maybe Romeo come say so say about 10.
Romeo no say utility player.
Only say. Me di kaka dey. We are not doing
Romeo utility player.
We make the ball in there.
We
say utility ball the crowd.
We are not doing math.
Utility ball and the crowd. Boy, come on, capture. Utility ball the crowd.
We
Black Star need
when you training specifically designed for us. When you training,
we are not doing
let that ball papa when you training.
Then you say say
I know they say game. I know they are game.
What na radio so
I don't know why they always want to talk about us. I'm tell radio so and UTV and player kiki players I'm boy Dina say. Na say come na come show. If you honestly, me kwase come show. I say pop bodyguard mami o.
Because we come send them message say one more titi kwede mami we. One more titi say mo person mo ko to players from outside o mbobo.
Outside players.
One more keka.
We are very good. We are very good. I go something investigator now. What investigator?
So we are some trade man so you him.
Thank you.
Sana me titi Mickey.
Okay say you.
I'm finally. Oh, okay, anyhow.
There are so many strategies sir.
Go force my person we use answer me. Go force piece FM for mo abobon kokora. Floodlight ne kra no aye ball no asere mu hu ne yi. Mo am sa pempem mo am hu nipa. Ana to so miensa. The piece of four baba.
I say young
no, yeah. You can tell that so much.
Mr. Secretary, you medical team.
I said I recover here, you know.
It's a piece of one year power. Don't bore about.
Oh, any bread you say.
Yeah, you say your first level anyway. And a man conform you can't send me and send you a. And you go for that guy no crack. The video we are no yano. You see, piece of from one abu bon kokra. 2 under floodlight no. Yedi on say Holland no go play when you friend Aga Davis.
Yes.
Ono kwa na shake kick ball. This is pen no be mama. And the toso me and some frame.
Ede.
Mo frame.
Nti wo question ani.
Because in me and son.
Also, we need can cast any show. So we are not going to do math ball.
No, but some na start.
What kasa?
One of stations do also.
Masa wo kasa ma.
Oba, ani oba play okay for, oba peace for the day.
Masa wo kasa ma kasa bi.
No, peace for no okay ni.
Okay, community FM tese. Eto mo WhatsApp platform le tell me ya adapeta. Adapeta. Odi ankan. Wo so ye kwa. So hurry
you are doing.
Eja kana no dia mo na mo ye PR right.
Kasa too much.
Kwere mani kasa wi.
Mo na mo ye PR right.
Currently me no na te ha. One to be what kasa ni enim na wa kan. You come kasa man kasa bi. So please sit down. This is your mambo.
Mambo that's what I'm starting.
Forget it. Beso onye kum na men kasa.
Kodi wadaruma ye kum no kasa.
He? On say we nipa bu hu a no kan sem bebre. Peace FM. On say adibi wona pe na hunim huni dia. O say nim dia me men ni nti no man bre. Hunim dia. Ya be shemo de bia.
To munim dia.
Wonim dia. Ye kokko gina awia ketekete so abobo 1 o'clock 1 p.m. Ghana. Temperature.
So for mo jale ben nane.
Now what about the 8 o'clock? We so about the front light. We are training. I mean, you guys, I don't know what is wrong with you. The serious guy, did you see us there? And the general thing said, we have to move to that place just to get the fixing. Period. Peace for me. Whilst Midi can catch your father, say we are not interested to train with you guys. I'm telling you. So opponent. Excuse me.
If you're not interested in training with us, I am over there because I'm back crashing.
Listen to me. Let me talk.
So what you come and do there? Training grounds. What do you come and do there? I'm back crashing. So what is he talking about?
Training grounds.
Hold on. Let me talk.
Okay.
Saturday is your part. You're going to pa. By 6:30 now. What you say? You're boom now. Man, so what is Mickey Daly talking about?
Oh yeah, no, what
is Mickey Daly talking? I mean, any brain about what is Mickey Daly talking about? And throw me your also. I'm back crashing.
Where you?
Maybe.
Mickey Kasa now show who TV.
Oh, don't worry about that one. Hey, Mami Kasa Chen. I saw that big Missy Kasha no. Missy. What
Mickey ready TV for now.
Oh, don't worry about that one. I'm just saying. I'm not talking to him.
I know.
one na me di kan ka share no strategy ye general we are under mpanyinfo wo hwe yɛn so wa
okay
the point is notice that all the teams we have to move to one place nje yen say yen ye ko park na jama na ko park na jan mo mu UTV mu hia mo hu jo amodi go park no so bi gra nya bi training
bi nya bi training
what do you mean na yen miss before you because our park no so because it's other ninti no upe and say ko park no so
training mo ya mo se sakwa ko person better samu omo ye training omo se sakwa tactically they are not disciplined please FM team tactically they are not disciplined
talking about discipline
you are still
ya ma say discipline
you are not discipline here
who na ya ma discipline
you are not disciplined when you were talking I didn't say anything
eti mu ko training grass na here
then no mu twa no do so
medical catch me boys they say it's not the best to train with your competitor young the go ball into why do we train with you guys in the first place and who ni emfaso two masa yen kokko after for so stadium stadium na ye grass na wonadua and ye kokko ball so it is a train na walk that's why I don't go that is why I don't go
okay
me and me private training and other things because at the end of the day no na you use is not what we're going to use at Accra Sports Stadium
okay Accra Sports is different from the temporary training
what do you mean and that place is too small for me because as a striker me stretch here me too me can want to look and me pull me do hold it down
now Wednesday friendly match 9-3
it wasn't a friendly match
no
it wasn't I wasn't there man couple it wasn't a friendly match
I would say
oh me say but Saturday we scored them also 9-4
Saturday the other banana there
no last week Saturday
oh no that's a lie 9-4
9-6 what was the score what was the score 9-6
9-6
yes
oh
no make do
are you kidding me
yes I played Saturday morning
9-6
9-6 9-7 yes wow. It was 9-7 yes that is the truth wow. That was a Saturday morning.
Momo share 9.
Yeah, 9.
No, Momo share 7.
They even started scoring express. Now, Mami Kasam Chow said.
No, you keep players nothing.
Ah, look at that.
You keep no problem because
it was on a friendly level. It was a friendly level. But we want to get to know all our players. What I say, you know, I'm going to say tactically, you're very good and sharp. Our coach saw it why I said no. Me keep players not bomb on my bread. What I say, I want to be prime. I want to make it boy prime.
That's all I say when you coach, no.
I want to be boy prime.
I mean,
some technical mind.
They give you the floor to talk.
No technical mind.
They give you the floor to talk.
I want to be boy prime.
It's there and
and maybe I will carry so the SM straight in.
No. When you're talking, okay, now whatever it is good about.
I'm okay.
Mommy, come on, listen. We're not doing more here.
First, also want to train you. I understand you train there.
No, listen to me.
And you score the goal there.
Listen to me.
That's contradictory.
Number Mickey.
Mommy, no one can contradict.
Number say 4-4-2 no.
For now, the kind of style we're going to use to play, very honestly, I don't want to say it here.
Adamuso.
Oh, them said, almost said, medical cash out. We say 1 year no one could see a kind. And you see when we in BBM. And nothing that made the main, I've said it. First time I worked as young Kosa it was order into Upu. That is why I went there. Now training that way, and the same we need to train for like 2 hours. I mean, we did not 5-10 minutes. What's the better nasi? No, that is not training. That is not what I wanted. So I told my guys, yeah, we have private secret training, and then after that, and it's after 6 o'clock on the final. Those are the want to go and play there, and then they go.
Mickey, my message be obedient about say ukra o tu aka say when you fit. What pra?
Yeah, I mean, you're fully fit.
No be on your fully fit a match. We just say.
Oh, said and that never won.
Now what you saying?
That's all.
I'm a team who's fully fit for the
never fly. Go because Dubai. We so go Dubai for you. Into super fly.
No, I'm not flying. I'm fully fit 9 years. It doesn't mean I can't play the ball. I can play, but just for now, I'm just taking things slow.
Okay.
I don't know be the rest. Me, yeah, me, BB,
and
into the yes, I mean, but for now, to go train with them is out. Oh, truly, me the marker.
We have a secret training.
I say I'm not paying for training number. They don't know where we went. What do you see? It's one fans where I go for. One more after that for this one. Yeah. Yeah, but I was sports stadium. All I will say we was still stadium now. All two one row. I bet also we did as I want. I feel how the road or what we don't cut.
Yeah, gadgets.
Let me
say why the ball. I didn't say why the ball.
Mickey.
Ain't he? Kwame, me person me catch you say. Me medical catch we didn't come to do math here.
Math there's someone
on Tony Boase. Match the first time we
crying.
Definitely training was
math there mo.
Definitely training was on. You come home akuma 5 and 6 and be Accra Sports Stadium. It's just like a tennis court, 2 tennis court on the Carabomo. That's why they had a training. Enti onu kura no stadium kura mo bo hoda.
And put a grace occasion is say.
Omo stadium da. Enti you kura no problem. Dem ma be be kwa tia o. Enti to kwase. Improve ho na nya wonu ka de obodo metu.
Meki, I say, wo GDA bi wo mu team ni mu individually. Obi kura say ni message say what is your Tafri Jade emoji 9 le.
Oh no, he's our spiritual father. He's our spiritual father. Any last year na he's our spiritual father.
Ono ni dimam kakra.
Oni na touch ba won ni yakopon kasa oni sama fo kasa oni abosun kasa oni obi akasa. They know what is going on.
Nti de ebe ba so na o say ne mo kasa dada.
He's still working on things. So all time what am from a net up to Sunday you were fasting.
We are fasting. So nyame mo na mutumi hwe YouTube.
Yeah, we are putting ourselves in the spirit. We are not looking up to YouTube. We are putting ourselves in the spirit. So adibia we do hu shebia na wani mane bo.
Oh yes.
We are not going to sit here to talk anyhow. We just putting ourselves in the
But go for Peace FM for nkokra for dos.
Oh, so when you say Peace FM here Manchester United. Yeah, Chelsea. This is just fun games. Bibi are you me here na yakokoye.
Fun games na mafane high radio station.
Otafri Jade for
interesting.
Special father.
Fun games na mafane high sa no. And the fun games na mafane
game yakokobo no ya pese UTVC. Na yen ni me here no. Yen ni here de dawo.
Nya fe na mo besu.
Enya fe na besu. Yes. Wonu opanyin be ko na o yiri.
Umpom.
Nti wo de nya botre kasa bisa yen me
kasa ya fa kasa because kasa dey too much ya kasa be brain this is the first time this is the first time your platform atutuja onusa but radio for OK FM, Nit FM, Peace FM, 24/7. How much? Me sorry, me bedroom. How much? Me sorry, me bedroom. OK FM. Some cray, some try at the pass, some try at the penny. But I want to tell you, say, born a year born. A month here, born. As of last year, he should tell me how many people were at UTV. How many people were at UTV? Hold on. How many people were at UTV? And hold on. I said, how many people were at UTV? And now, what when it's here? Who buy it? Come buy it. Cameraman, how much you say? How much you say? Come on, who internal old? Who internal you weak? Mickey knows. Mickey Mohuni says, internal you weak. Mickey internal you weak. Who's over two? Me do 2 goals if our lions. Okay.
We should do.
Come hold yourself for your passport. On this platform, tell you Mickey the ball from home. Esham ya wo. Mu tiri.
Let you do it.
Ah, na wo tiri. Me what Kelly hell.
About the same
I'm telling you, say Mickey Dalot here. Me say, and you be say, say Mickey to me the ball from home. They go here about to me the ball from home. I'm a man for to me ball from home. No must go. Me who no must go. Come. Now that time you material in my body say now.
What is saying here pass so
what are you talking about? No, we know what you are talking about. We know what technically no. Yeah, technically a discipline. You play your coach is near Kasa. What I say we know what we are about. And I mean make catch yourself. Me from so glue. Wo abana for that go me from so glue. I'm ready you sure. What is my zone? The word the ball from him. Come for the ball from him. You're not listening. He's not listening.
But you need to be the next 10 minutes. Because 10 minutes you have
me make catch yourself. Come to you. Forget better tackle him. Forget your Tafrija, forget you be a me me say some of the ball from me on no da kwaku ye boa kwabana for some for my bomb the omu di say omnom ball bon some of the ball from me one no better studio no yi me ana me mama for machine pon yi me o me mama the blade na yi me blade na yi me technically a discipline we know what we are about and you need press across on you need bre o you need bre I don't go dey o any bre soldier let me kill you say so be any bre soldier because me kill you say any cool say be how football any cool so and I say please for many players into mo Jimmy Kidi omo 1 or 2 4 players no mo di omo di ba
many players
oh right
make you see many players
who they start old soldier what the old forget the video mo mre who you feel Joe Digi or no crowd the old soldier
well you see Joe Digi they play before
who you forget it who you on the feel Uyi on the floor.
For the picture man here kakra.
Uyi otafijana.
Na mo one spiritual one deal.
Eh, spiritual assembly adu akoi. Spiritual assembly adu akoi. Ye place 11 set no.
Peace FM for.
Oh, they say bodia we dey him. Yeah, go spiritual consultations. Yeah, go yeah, Vatican akasa. UTV. Yeah, Vatican akasa.
Also the Vatican.
Yeah, the Vatican didn't come on a regular basis. Your coach on the Vatican.
Italy na Vatican work up on this side.
Oh, that's so Bianca. I want to see how will give you one way. See, I don't need one. I will give you one way. And your special consultation there from Tuja. Your spiritual consultation. And I'm going to say, yeah, you be a near. What you say? Me and yes, I'm to suffer me. I got me official spokesperson. Me can be very silent.
But you know, can say, nkofo to Tony Amaso Maber Hebo ni be 6 months. Now want to me and church and woman chanko for mo some masham pampin some baby dia go.
Because 6 months. Come training you starting on. Yeah, very very solid training. Honestly. Apart from the artificial turf na yekono. Yeah,
tactically never been am that to.
And me basa me kasaba. Tactically no. One, you say coach. He said your coach here want me back.
Coach
oh, your old coach now last year in the boy, Yapamano.
One of them old coach.
The Queen, Yapamano. Yapamano can answer no phone. So text message you big Pamono. Because he who said now there was a conspiracy between unknown Peace FM for Yapamano. He said Roger Cotti. A bull coach Roger Cotti.
And I said Roger Cotti, but this was a goalkeeper.
No, you're trainee under your goalkeeper, no, you're trainee under Avram Grant. What you say?
Karen Blaster.
Yes. The Blue Lacoste or the Amano. And your baby, you're quite a secret out of honor. Apart from that, you have a solid medical team. You're co-training a planner, the idea of personal grants. That beat you almost physically, no. Physically, no. Almost share your body near the idea. Your training will be answer no special ice, special drinks. This way, chocolate drink near the idea, man. I should say a mood, as I would say, I should say a year. What I say, and I'm programming more diet near the other way, your friend Diago. For the past 3 weeks, we've been put on diet, and near the physicals, a Brim Mountain, special diet, Angasa, a Brim Mountains, your coba, near big girl. What I say, a big girl, sister, you're never got training, physicals near the idea. What I say, and when it comes to physicals, they are honestly, we are prepared. Psychologically, we are ready for the game. Last year, they are too itchy. Last year, they came. A trim 24 trim. Now, Matissa with technical team, maybe say, I do a boy Jake home on my palm. Oh, on the dear, on the don't kind of you wordy. Are they? And they abandon not the little letter about to said your friend and a pele majai, my friend. Says conspiracy theory no war. Just offer peace and a South of the on the queen, I enjoy your boy. Say anything last year lose a match, no. Because we saw them as one of us. It's your training here that don't more. I join budgets no welfare for my. It's a training grounds or on the idea. It's tactically almost steady and no more here play. No more leaking information my piece of for. It's up loopholes in your closing. Your closest are loopholes now. This year, dear.
Last year, Sana Mudi and Yumjasa and Mugu Monuas.
Oh, last year,
to me, I can't as you should be say. Nano bois, now what you say and me, Mubi Dinkunim.
Come, when I make a choice, say, and then the sample, may see a winia. What you mean? I'm the Wunti. Say, boy, boy, say UTV and Peace FM soon Kunima. Now, better studio here, baby, I'm a tea. Now, the blade, I shaving me. And what I bet you from where you I'm promising you. I form the Bay Liga. Missing, I form the Bay Liga. You need Roberts now. I form the Bay Liga. Maybe home ground, I'm better than me. I couldn't also. Kwame. Don't take Daniels for granted. And you know what you say? Mickey, yeah, by your new sugar can I die? Maybe a phone. No, maybe some that's Baquano. Let me clear that's clear enough here. One said, the Queen, one upon the Queen, one up about your wedgie. Yes, hold on. Last year, because of indiscipline, coach, I know coach you won't. Okay, so for the one year, you're 6'3". Coach, Uncle Licky tactics, man. Hold on, when you are talking, I don't talk. When was he before you like that? Massa, I give you a chance to talk. So when I'm talking, don't talk. When I'm talking, don't talk. What the hell do you think? I was going to say the dear. Oh, I got no, what I'm talking about. That's what you're saying. What do you mean? What do you mean? You don't have that money
to sign in.
Oh, Bakwe.
You don't have that money to go to the city. So what's that?
Bakwe scared man.
What do you mean?
Kojori Mickey, you know Bola no CNT.
Office not ready to pay.
Yeah,
Nobody take your team again. What do you mean?
Number here 0288 700 200 0288 700 200.
When I'm talking, you want to talk.
Mickey, I will try.
I thought you would not do my ball.
But you fighting for Bola no so. Yeah, for court. Bentum, hello Bentum, good morning. Oh, hello Bentum, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
And that is saying?
Good morning.
Morning. What is Bentum?
But
what you mean?
Now, the person contribute to Katra.
Would you know that in Tika Kasa?
That way, I can't know get a loop.
Why? And would you?
I can't know what you do. I can't know what you do. Or get a loop.
I didn't know.
Wall a day, a war pack for your
But to Mr. What be Fabiano, who lower TV no. Now what ye every phone num 0288 700 200. Now so afre and you also dream fan come ye die ho. Any say you hu say be kwa ko wie say YouTube be say FM sign and na FM be say YouTube say fan scholar no. And so na dia ba. Mickey, na wo kan bi say mo strategy amode ba this person go to abonte. No bi a wa nante no so that dey e dey na afia say
we not scared of them. But let me clear this. Let me clear one very point.
Clear.
Say so tuna kasi won asaki be kun ya. Unya is out because Bakin, oh no, he was handling them.
Martin, you have Isaac or Casafi Lungwa. Isaac, good morning.
Morning. I man, oh, you I can't too much. I'm going to do no more. Don't China,
now, when you say YouTube, bet me actually piece of them.
Yeah, boy, I'm fire on the airport. They're not here for one China.
Oh, but you Isaac. Oh, Isaac line work out. I'm sure Ufrana what every phone number 0288 700 200. Mickey, you also.
Yes, as I was saying, Missy or Kasa, me person will control no. Because when he's talking, whatever he says, I don't come in. Me jam no flow, however you want to flow. Until you want to say Kasa, I'm not Kasa. Straight away.
And I never person me threaten. We can't talk a crime.
If I had wanted to do the same thing, I come out.
Let's have come on in your day.
So be disciplined. First and foremost, you're not disciplined. This is what cost you the last time.
Still, I'm sure you've been.
What's your team here? But the last time, disciplined, they were not disciplined on the foot of play. And they share 6-3. So you don't come and sit here and say we are now disciplined. Because your attitude is telling me that you're not disciplined. You talk too much. You're not doing talk much. You're not doing talk ball. You're not doing math ball.
Now, my watch is a mark of 2 players who is okay.
Soccer is not bought. He's a special player, our veteran player, because of this match. Now, I want to come away. Work for training for almost about 6 months and he's done purposely because of
what is okay? So when you do Peace FM, and I'm
what are you telling us? Entertainment review on Peace FM. What takes
our guest on entertainment review.
He's part of Peace FM. What are the Roger Kill crowd of Peace FM and so great stuff? What do you mean? Roger Kill Roger Kill no need. So great. One can see or one or Yedma. Don't go there. So great stuff is a veteran player.
And he's playing.
Not that he's not playing. The last year, who had the skills? He was the man of the match on the field of that last year. So he plays left. He's the best, and he's the captain this time. He's the captain of the team.
And I don't think I see UTV for a funny face. No?
We don't care who's funny face. We don't care about funny face. Are we going to do jokes on the field?
There be jokes. So what do you mean by that?
Only point one year, he's a comedian.
You don't present the high life for football.
You know what I'm saying? Sir, everyone, this is Peace FM. You are telling me say you UTV, you funny face. Who is funny face? What does he do? Does he play for Hearts of Oak? He played for Chelsea. What does he do? What is profession? I'm telling you that there is not the kind of profession we're going to exhibit on the field.
And see, Mickey, given the opportunity, that's a pretty scholar. Last time I say
6-3.
6-3.
Yeah.
But so Wednesday night 9-6.
Oh, that is not much. Training is just training. I said definitely boss. I said a tennis court.
Young court tantra and go for Nina. Nina, good morning.
Good morning.
Nina Pacho Kasakasika Krawai.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Miss Pacho, I want to tell the guy in the blue shirt. Say, you see, we lose. I'm here. What they shaving away, na mano. Hello. Hello.
I don't patch me here.
They say guy not said the whole UTV no. Say UTV Lucy. I'm got somebody shaving me dear na mama.
Hey, let us say obeshe will be any other things.
Thank you very much.
And then it will be a minute. That's what I mean by other things. Tell us something your Kelly hair. 0288 700 200. That's a friend. That's a Mickey. Who your mama should be saying?
Oh, at least this time, we don't want to give them much goals. At least maximum 3.
3 solid 3.
3-1. And no one cry yes one because the doctor will park us. And the company
we need my doctor.
That's all. That's all.
Now, go never first half and never second half.
No. First half, what did you? Now, no, to my own, there's one after one after the back. Then we seal it.
Yeah,
oh, what? Because see, also, for be after no can. So you are talking too much. We're not doing mad ball. You see, who imagine how can't say Ghana for watching UTV? UTV is not a small station.
Yanko Nungwa.
The whole Ghana.
No
TV.
Yanko Nungwa go for Nana Kofi, me watch you.
Yeah, me idea.
Now, what you saying?
Nyame no madi ni ye.
Ye de nyame ase. Nana yiti.
Nyame no kure ni. Mani ajimiki. Bi o ye no pa.
Sa?
Kase sunsum na woni mu ni kese. Ye ti peace FM no. Kase odi nkura che bi afie mu se. Ma che ni ye wini kwabi. We no kwa no. No mo say laugh, you know. Amunya no 12 mai. Na ye hom toy. Ni se mi ni ani aje a wo fre no. Kwa no obo kase then you said always about the crack. I say, 6 in the basso. Yamin come home.
And I'm with a scholar and who. But last scholar, Munya said, I know a friendly man. You make it crash one movie. It's a no continue to show bear nice. A day in a mutum show almost.
Come on, guys, say last year, no, unlike last year, this year, you're tactically disciplined. Coach Catcher said, Jinaha, Koha. You say possible say you say and none of them come here yeah but before I go on Mr. Mimint now I'm a Mickey Darling and underrated funny face what I say
I'm not underrating him
Mickey who funny face football border what I say Mickey in terms of football Mickey in terms of football that's what I'm talking about because we are talking football what I say and apart from that you can Jadia Peace FM Neat FM OK FM and Jomo Gano even before prior to this game
Mama Joseph Shaman Joseph good morning Kojo munya di yemfa frefo no Joe morning no
Morning.
Now what is say Joe
Nyame admo na so
Boko why you crowd say na me boa ene na wotwe wo ba Accra Sports Stadium
Oh mi afa say me ka say by Obi UTV ni no that's too much. Don't turn no boss no that say next time you dey bobo why. Nti me say na dey you ka say na be ma UTV for crowd you why.
Come Ghana I won't. Who's all you confident about something you say I'm confident about my team.
Oh you just talking.
What I say? I just confident about my team. You understand? Me go GD on my boys name. What I say? Who GD on boys man no just say no ya.
Team ground mo be that.
Ghana 100% different. Come person go phone na ba. Omo ba. They should come in their numbers to come and witness this game. What I say? Now 6 of March you
get the best time.
6 of March you don't 1 o'clock come.
Peace FM no UT.
1 o'clock yeah.
Yeah, just say.
Yeah, 1 o'clock. 5 CDs for a regular and 10 CDs for a VIP.
It's a very exciting game.
That's what I'm telling you. Say, someone say
Olympics ne Kotokodiano so
3 o'clock kick off in 3.
And Timudia near 1.
Yeah, you're near 1. Yeah.
Okay, Beko Kumasi. And about 10 more park.
We are confident and not just who do anymore. Because I believe in my voice.
Kumasi. Nana Atomic Macho.
Ghana ukra UTV mono. Okasale Mama Lucy.
Hey, Shebia original team ni dio.
I'm going for more. And yes, I over dinner so now I'm blagging. Like who do I know don't design everyone who do ça. Indeed, you see cuz I'm original so no I'm finding.
Kojo, me da se me da se. Kojo ko voice ka sa do.
Come in, is it Ghana no? There's a perception. So when you're you're confident, and if you believe in something, now you're so ujo in him. But make us sure. Prior to matches, right? So we are Champions League, and the idea. Mourinho is a typical example. Are you telling me that Mourinho better press conference and downplay his team? No, he wouldn't do that. What you say? What you say?
It's not downplay team.
What you say? Top notch coaches are what we are seeing now.
Top.
What you say? They all believe in their team.
You considering your previous performance as a top no.
You see, if I'm gonna say that was the then UTV. If you believe in a product, if you believe in a product, you never downplay it. Me Jimmy Tim D. What you say? Me Jimmy Tim D. What you say? It's the level of confidence that I have in my team.
Kojo, you ever come and serve in the last qualifying stylos or the female
confidence and you.
Good morning.
Now I just say busa penny.
Pacho Boko.
Yeah, the nyame ase. Gumpai bosso. Yetie.
Kojo UTV. Infinity na the rock kasano confidence and you
okay.
Now prefer or pieces from one say barber show more. You represent life.
Yeah, that's it. Enti bomodi abro e be gate no be do back 11 near be gate. Na fe UTV any piece FM4 I can see kese kwa ko to Olympics o maba we dey a different show altogether. UTV ni piece FM be sha se donc 1 p.m. na fe wia na Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Accra Gate Olympics and so at the ataso no 3 p.m. ye 10 cities and 5 cities all stands say 5 cities na open VIP atna dia na say 10 cities 6 March 2015 na what you say na ya enti Kojo we dey support abako.
Yeah, come so no or confidence level ni dey. Confidence and you
previous performance.
I mean, you have previous in Kasem. You see, previous is good. It's good you build on your past experiences. We've built on it. Tactically, we are disciplined. We have young, fresh minds. Psychologically, we are ready. Medically, physically, we are ready. And me, Jimmy Tim, you say, "Some better than me." Say, "You better." Oh, I mean. I don't know, but
you don't know.
Now upon all the yawa, upon all the
You think French boys need training no? Sir. Na sir.
Me come me see I to say. Come to say. Come training to say.
Let me wouldn't be
we piece of 4 years.
I had a piece of all right, you see my boys, slow by sure. Boko, relax. Hey, Jesus Christ, these are boys. Look at the way they are talking, joking.
Now, why not say you
after the 6 no 4, are you high player?
Oh, no. DJ Henry, DJ Soldier, this driver, offense, PC Justice is there. This guy is there.
So and it's so great.
DJ Owen needs to.
So black.
You see, one was wrong.
Socrates and funny face on that day. Socrates and funny face.
When you see the kind of lies I was talking about.
Socrates meets funny face.
Some guys.
You did the matter in here. Remember in the gallant man. This is the boys I'm talking about.
That's a YouTube for Nabu Bossimo.
Oh, no, one the other one. The person get to some see.
Allah Dada.
Dada was playing last.
Come here me. That all pound if you wow.
Come here me. We make go to me. Wow. If I go. What do you know?
Koyo your time nti scholar one farmer na
you better for
afi no bi ho yi
na be just afi na ma bi mu yi
na o ka scholar na o ka bi ma o
me reduce goals no ana mama mu bi me reduce a goal no ke 6 ah you better 4-2
ba say YouTube for me mrante
hwe me na me gira no everybody yesu Allah
Kojo Asante. Oh,
Kojo Asante.
Hey, I don't believe we are not on you maybe. baby sana.
Already yes. Already any man.
Lato jibe. Hey, waka.
Yeah. I had a hamstring no. I had a hamstring. I had a hamstring.
I'm for extra ubetimi aba Wembley Park.
Yeah.
Na wa ba be training na e be koso.
The more dey pa.
E be aerobics anopa no to bi obeso Johnny bia no betimi aba. Na wa be training kakra. Kojo final e dey na e ka che.
Final I mean, UTV there is the most watched television station in the country at the moment.
Yes.
And you know, me person nkofo be share UTV players. If you're a fan, if you're a lover of UTV, me person back. Now be share. Yeah, disappointed UTV fans. Say your network like UTV network ain't disappointed down. The players say we must ain't disappointed down. They should come in their numbers.
Score la neke se munyi mu ni 4-2 sen.
Oh, F.
Two goals here, need the goals.
F. Independence. No, some independence be akofie. F. O background no be he no be he ne kwa. Enye fine.
Na somebody can afford.
UTV fans say what we are seeing now. Now but UTV fans say what broche kwa ba. What I say? What broche ba? You stream. I'm mo share when you about internet. You
finally na o ka che ojita for.
Obi am he.
Come me da masi. Na enye anuhunu keke na wode bo ba so dan. Enye Pieto de. Enye Pieto bia ni Pieto. Pieto ni adanta bo ano. Etiefo na ahwefo na kasa kan asema mai. Said if they've seen that you are just bragging. On then e conclude adnya say won na no katikati o ye nyina mu bi say ni say obesha he. Why come
4-2
because no if na sa him na ba.
Tactical team ni say initially na ayeni 8 enye fe.
Na ope kwa beti so. Mate.
Na be say make a final and say a go uniform. Yen Peace FM. Munim say na yete de now. Yen kasa keke. Na me pesa me show bo say yare shemo 31. Nemu can't so.
What's the one account?
Oh, say me one day me dey money down. Anything.
Go first 2 can 3.
Dey be say 31.
Okay.
2-1 first and dey.
Abembo.
Na me say me catch you say. Sa wa body sen and we had house dey shape. Im hwe na one fa Ghana for anything. UTV is a very big time that the whole Ghana. Inti metna so nyo wanum keke. Na me share team for say ye bo match ni we na ye ba. Na one metna so ha. You will never enter this building. I can promise you that one. And it will get to a second despite. That all. Service me. A person makani. Me, my pajama to Japan is no Japanese and one and I know that contrast in Nigeria. Young is also quiet, so quiet. Yakasabra. Me catch no. Say yes, Shamuye. Number for number in the studio. Now, me, I'm fat blade. I'm a crow. Now, what you say, you will never enter this building. So, we are doing nothing but now. I will walk you out. Or to say,
now, player, Benny.
Father.
Piece of mana.
Father, Obotunina.
Piece of UTV.
Only tactical.
Is it a young just father copy Piece FM for good?
Oh, sir.
I understand.
Oh, yeah, worry.
I mean, Nippon in Nadia, out of them because they may be a cause of break. Back in some show. So, no, you can't do that.
No. Back when the text message in the unit. Text message. I just the one I call it.
Theodoric Segbefia, we are Juma Ewo Rana Motors. Happy birthday to you. Wayne Efrey TK. Mr. Tribu Akudia. TK. Maybe I'll be on day. And Team Mr. Theodoric Segbefia of Rana Motors. Happy birthday to you. May you live longer to see the fulfillment of God's plan for your life. Let me be able to come up. We get in 1 minute, then I'll catch your fans.
Now, we catch your fans in Mumra Stadium.
I'm telling you, on the 6th of March, Accra Sports Stadium, ebe buta, ebe soccer, ebe oh my God!
Arise, Ghana! Yekodi Afi Independence Day for Accra Sports Stadium. Akosha Agupramasu ball akasi kasia. Watu din say despite Independence Cup match. Ball agukasi kasia wa ishe. Yadibadi Independence Day. Na kasi ya hudu wabeko swa. Peace FM. Hadi UTV. Hadi bepro prakwemu. Curtain Raisers. UTV say a revenge match. Peace FM say there be that. The Nwachi and Sana akasi kasia kuna washishano. Abaso. Kumasi asante kotoko. Niya Craig Great Olympics. Hadi diba widari swa. Wadi cup kasia si swa. Dr. Osai Kwame Despite. And Dr. Eneso Forisapon. And a better presentation. Now who wins the day? And the better Kuntunkanta and Asa Kantan.